Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s to the power of 11. So if I do first derivative for the both sides, you got about du equals to 11s to the power of 10 ds. Because we don't have number 11 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 11. And you got about s to the power of 10 ds. This one we change by u. S to the power of 10 ds we change by du over 11. So about this one, I need to multiply by 1 plus secant of u on numerator and denominator. So about this one, this is about identity, so you got about 1 minus secant of u square. Next, this one I can put into negative secant of u square minus 1. And then I will put the negative go outside. This one that is about trigonometric identity, that's about tan u square. Now about 1 over tan u square you can put into cosine u square, and we have 1 plus secant of u, and we have du. Cosine u square multiplied by number 1 and secant of u. We know that cosine u square, that's about cosecant of u square minus 1. This is about trigonometric identity. And now the integration of cosecant of u square, you got about negative cosine u. Negative number 1, you got about negative u. And now we just have only this one left. So I will concentrate about this one only. We know that cosine u square, that is about cosine u square over sine u square. Secant of u, that is about 1 over cosine u. Now we need to simplify cosine u, cosine u. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about t equals to sine u. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about cosine u du. So this one you got about t square. Cosine u du we change by dt. The integration of this one, you got about negative 1 over t, and we put about c. About t, that's about sine u, and we put about c. Now we need to return back to this one. The integration of this one, that is about this one. Now we see that negative with negative, we can simplify and you got about positive. So this one I can put into like this because we have same 1/11. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.